So we have a couple of little problems, just very small ones that we want to adjust really fast, and that's actually going to be relatively easy. So let's select our 3D sketch and edit that one more time. And we just need to make it so that this line comes up and doesn't eat into our nut quite so much. So let's just right click on this curve. We'll say split entities and click. And that's going to split this into two different lines, but those lines by default will be constrained to be collinear. So let's delete that collinear constraint, which will allow us to move this point around. Now to make moving this point more easy, or easier I should say, right click it and go down to Show Sketcher Triad. And that's going to make it a little bit easier to move things around in 3D space. Working with 3D sketches can be kind of difficult, and so it's helpful to use the triad sometimes. And if we are happy with that, we can come down to the other side here, where I'm pretty sure we have the exact same problem. We're eating into the saddle on the other side. So we'll do the exact same thing. I'm just going to split entities there. Click to split them. Select one of them. Delete the collinear constraint. Select that point. And hide sketch triad and show it again so that it's on this point. And there we go. So we can move that right to where we want it to be. Okay. Click OK. We should be able to exit our sketch now. And this string looks a little more believable. So there we go. That's pretty good. I am happy with that result, and I'm going to live with it. So let's go ahead and just apply a material. I'm going to find, I don't know, let's find under our plastic. Let's see if we can find a clear plastic that we like. We'll use just this translucent plastic that we have just to represent the nylon string there. Apply that to the entire part. And there we go. Looking good. Now I'm going to leave it up to you to build the other strings, and you can use that exact same method, or you can kind of you can vary it up. Try some different ways. There are a lot of different ways you could probably do that, but what it comes down to is that really in most cases I probably wouldn't. I would probably do it in Modo or something like that, where it's a little bit easier to work with this kind of thing. All right, have fun.